Finally, and to close this subject, I would like to refer to a website and a service that will help you also to collect information and to be updated if anything came up. So the first thing that I would like to refer to is the Internet Archive. And this is actually important because it can show you the website in any time since it has been hosted, even if the site has been removed. So if you are checking or if you are looking for information about a company that used to have a website and has been changed because there was some critical information and they noticed that and they changed it, I still can check the website before what critical information was there. Even if the site was permanently removed, I can still see the website and see the content of the website. And this is one of the topics that they usually ask about inside the exam. They will ask you what tools or what website should you use to check the history of a specific website or organization. So it's a very important website to be aware of, and not just for the footprinting process, but also for the exam purpose. So the website, it's archive.org. Or if you search on Google, you just need to type Internet Archive, and he will give you the archive.org without S, archive.org. And if you click on this one, you can see that you can specify a website and he will give you the history of this website. So, for instance, I have a website that has been removed, which is www.ott-summit.com. This is a company website and they removed this website. It's not there anymore. I can take this website and search in the Internet Archive. So going here and writing in the search tab, let's write it, actually here will be okay. Both of them will do paste, and let's see what I'll get. So as you can see, this website has been online since 2005, and all those black bar mean the time where the modification has been done, and it has been online till I believe maybe 2015. Let's see. So 2016, 2017 is not there anymore. So I can check on 2005 when this website started how it looked like. So I can click on 2005, and here in the calendar in 2005 you will find like a spot point showing, like here 28 of this month a modification has been made. So I can click on it and I can see the specific site in this specific date or time. Let me even see, this is the site in 2005, and just check how it looked like. Right now let's see the site just before getting removed. So if we go to like 2015 for instance, and I can check any of those spotlight, let's see. So it's loading, and as you can see, this is the site in 2005. Quite different. No, it's more professional. But it will show you the site in any specific time and date. Now, this is important. Why? Because sometimes people create the site at the beginning and they start writing information, all kind of information about their company, and maybe the management contact number and their email and so on, and they think this is the right way. And then they get some advice from any consultancy telling them that security-wise you should not write that kind of information on the website, so they change it. So now the site has no confidential information. But if you check the history, you will find, the site how it used to be, what kind of information was hosted, and so on. So this is a tool that you should consider, and as I told you, they usually ask about that inside the exam. They will have a question asking about archive.org is doing what exactly, or asking which website from where you can retrieve the history of a specific organization or website. This is one point that I wanted to refer to before closing this section. The second point is the alert. Now, since our task depend on searching for different kind of information about an organization. So definitely, I'm going to need to be updated. I mean, whatever information I gather today, maybe tomorrow there will be more information available online, or maybe the day after there will be more information. So I can set up an alert in case anyone added something or any modification has been updated in the search. I can get an alert with it. So he can tell me whenever anything has been added in the search engine. It's a very nice feature. So for instance, I can go to google.com/alerts. And by doing that, you know, and since I'm logged into Google, so I can specify here a website or an alert. I can write an email for someone email, or a specific company name, or a specific website, and I can just save this alert. So if anything came up on Google related to whatever I'm writing here, I will get notified on my email. So this is actually quite interesting, because you will be updated frequently if any modification has been done. Maybe someone wrote something about the company, maybe some email has been added to any forums, and so on. So it's a nice feature to have. It's to activate the alert for this company where you are doing footprinting. So while doing the scanning and enumeration and hacking and so on, if anything new has been added about this company that may be useful to you, you will get an alert with this one. So also this is one of the things that I wanted to mention before closing this section and moving to the scanning part.